Welcome back to It Pays to Save, where we're going to show you some smart, simple, successful strategies for finding financial freedom. This is a 4-step program. We are currently on step 2, drowning in debt, and today we're going to talk about the true cost of debt. The only way to explain how much of your hard-earned money is spent paying off the past, and more importantly, paying off the interest, is to use examples. A simple example is a credit card with only a $1,000 balance and an 18% annual interest rate. By making just the minimum payment of 2% of the balance and no additional purchases, you would see that it would take you 8 years to pay off that $1,000 balance. And when it's all said and done, you would have paid over $1,800 in finance charges. And that's if you cut up the card and only paid down that $1,000 balance. Here's an example of some other balances and some other interest rates. And if we were just to pick somewhere in the middle, you can see that a $5,000 purchase at 18% would cost you over $17,000 when it's all said and done. So let's go back and revisit some averages. The average credit card balance is $7,000 with a 17% average interest rate. If you were to make just the monthly payment, you would be paying $140 every month. And it would take you over 39 years, and you would eventually be paying $15,000 for that $7,000 purchase. Now let's look at the flip side of what you can do with that $140 monthly payment. If you were to put $20 aside for future purchases and invest that $120 for 40 years instead of making payments of 39 years, at 11%, your investments grow to over $1 million. Again, it's all about positives and negatives. If you could flip that $140 into an investment instead of a payment, you'd be much better off. Okay, coming up, we are going to cut the cards in step 22. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and visit itpaystosave.com, where you can find the workbooks and ebooks, customizable spreadsheets, newly released and updated content, exclusive content, limited time offers, and freebies. Again, that's itpaystosave.com, where you can find everything you need in an easy step-by-step format.